Women's inline skates have become increasingly popular in this recent year as a way to stay active and have fun. But with so many different types of inline skates on the market, it can be hard to know which type is right for you. In this video, I will provide information on the best 7 inline skates for women, as well as provide advice and on how to choose the right ones. So, what are you waiting for? Start shopping. Number 7. LIKU Unisex Fitness Inline Skates. LIKU Unisex Fitness Inline Skates are a great choice for the recreational skater. They feature an eye-catching design, quality materials, and an adjustable fit system. The wheels are made of polyurethane to ensure a smooth ride, and the bearings are ABS 7 rated, providing an efficient and durable ride. They provide good maneuverability, allowing you to skate with precision and agility. The brakes are easy to use and provide quick stopping power. The skates are also lightweight and comfortable, ensuring a pleasurable and safe skating experience. Overall, LIKU Unisex Fitness Inline Skates are an excellent choice for the recreational skater who wants a quality skate at an affordable price. Number 6. Bladerunner by Rollerblade Advantage Pro XT Women's Adult Fitness Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Advantage Pro XT Women's Adult Fitness Inline Skate is an ideal choice for those looking for an efficient and comfortable way to stay in shape. The skate boasts a secure and comfortable fit thanks to its contoured boot design and secure lacing system. Its high-quality aluminum structure provides a lightweight and durable frame that is built to last. It also features a shock-absorbing liner, providing cushioning and support while skating. The ABS 5 bearing and 76 mm wheels offer a smooth ride, and the brake is highly effective and easy to engage. With its combination of comfort, quality, and performance, the Rollerblade Advantage Pro XT Women's Adult Fitness Inline Skate is the perfect choice for anyone seeking an enjoyable and reliable skating experience. Number 5. Impala Lightspeed Inline Skate. The Impala Lightspeed Inline Skate is a great choice for any skater looking for a comfortable ride. The boot is well ventilated and provides ample support for the foot, and the padded tongue keeps the foot secure in place. The frame is lightweight and designed for easy maneuverability, and the wheels are designed to provide a smooth and responsive ride. The ABS 7 bearings will keep the skate running smoothly, and the A2A harness provides a good balance between grip and speed. The vibrant blue and yellow color scheme is sure to stand out, and the sky blue or yellow skate is sure to impress any skater. Number 4. Rollerblade Macroblade 1103WD Women's Adult Fitness Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Macroblade 1103WD Women's Adult Fitness Inline Skate is an ideal choice for those who are looking for a lightweight, durable, and highly responsive performance inline skate. The skate features a 3-wheel design with a 110mm wheel size, which provides an even balance of control and speed. The high-quality boot is comfortable and secure, and its shock-absorbing support ensures a smooth ride. The lightweight frame ensures a light and comfortable fit while providing a secure fit with excellent stability. It also features a low center of gravity and adjustable stoppers, so you can customize the skate to your personal preference. Overall, the Rollerblade Macroblade 1103WD Women's Adult Fitness Inline Skate is an excellent choice for those seeking a performance skate with a comfortable fit and responsive ride. Number 3. K2 Skate Alexis 84 Pro Inline Skate. The K2 Skate is an excellent choice for intermediate and advanced skaters. The boot is supportive and comfortable, and the 84mm wheels provide a smooth and fast ride. The frames are lightweight and durable, while the ABS 5 bearings ensures a smooth roll. The liner is well padded, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. The ratchet power strap and laces provides a secure fit, and the cuffs have been designed to allow for increased maneuverability. Overall, the K2 Skate is an excellent choice for skaters of all levels who are looking for a reliable, comfortable skate. Number 2. Roller Derby Aerio Women's Inline Skate. The Roller Derby Women's Inline Skates are a great choice for both advanced and beginner skaters alike. They offer great maneuverability and stability with a comfortable fit and a long-lasting durability. The ABS 5 bearings and A2A polyurethane wheels makes for a smooth, fast ride, while the adjustable adjustable two-stop provides reliable stopping power. The skates also feature a lightweight aluminum frame and padding in the ankle and heel areas for good support. The Aerio inline skates have overall positive reviews and are a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable quality pair of inline skates. Number 1. FR Skates FRX 310 2019 3-wheel skates. The FR Skates is for fast urban skating, free riding, speed skating, fast recreational, is a popular French brand that is highly prized for its quality and performance. It features an adjustable cuff for a comfortable fit and stability and a secure buckle system. The soft shell liner is designed to provide maximum comfort and breathability. The frame is built with a durable aluminum alloy to ensure stability and durability. The 110mm wheels provide a smooth ride and the ABS7 bearings provide a smooth fast roll. The FRX 310 provides an enjoyable skating experience and is perfect for recreational and fast urban skating. It is an ideal choice for those who are looking for a durable, dependable and fun inline skates.